kitchens have open windows or big windows looking outside. If you have window coverings that are a little bit old, dated, maybe torn and tethered, if you've got time and the budget, try and replace them with something that is neutral color, your light beige, your whites, something that would blend in with the walls and also work with the rest of your kitchen. Now in this example, this roller blind has aged really well. However, it's probably time to let it go. Now, if you don't have time to prepare for the open home, always ensure that if your blind isn't in great nick, to just ensure that it's all the way up so that people can look outside when they come into the kitchen rather than just looking straight into an old, damaged roller blind. Another option is to give it a really, really good clean or to take it off entirely.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.